What if you could access 5 premium AI tools with no monthly fees? Just a one-time payment. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what the year-end mega pack promises. But is it really worth it? Or is this just another marketing gimmick? Let's break it down and find out. Hey everyone, welcome to Profit Review HQ, your go-to channel for honest AI and digital product reviews. Today, we are reviewing the year-end mega pack, an exclusive AI bundle that claims to give you access to ChatGPT-4, Dell E3, Leonardo AI and more. Help you create AI-generated videos, websites and content effortlessly. Let you sell AI-generated assets with full commercial rights. Save you from paying expensive AI subscriptions. When you land on the website, you see a huge announcement that says, "Hurry, grab this special offer before it's gone." The site claims that for a one-time price of $14.95, you get 5 AI-powered tools in a single dashboard, a commercial license that lets you sell AI-generated assets, a deal that replaces expensive $97 per month AI subscriptions. The website highlights 5 different AI tools in this package. One AI and One AI 2.0 includes ChatGPT-4, Gemini Pro, Dell E3, Leonardo AI, Meta Llama 3, Stable Diffusion XL, and more for content and image generation. AI Tuber, a tool for creating faceless YouTube videos in any niche. AI Movie Maker instantly generate 4K cinematic videos using AI. AI Agents, pre-built AI automation templates for effortless content creation. The website also offers exclusive bonuses for buyers. 5 pre-made AI websites, ready-to-use websites in different niches. Commercial license, sell AI-generated content and keep 100% of the earnings. SEO and marketing tools, helps drive traffic and increase engagement. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Regular price $97 per month. Limited time offer $14.95 one-time payment. Coupon code MEGA2 for an extra $2 off. Urgency alert. The site displays a countdown timer, but be aware that some sites resets timer to create fake urgency. Its pros are 5 AI tools in one package, access multiple tools in a single dashboard, no monthly fees, one-time payment making it affordable. Commercial rights included. You can legally sell AI-generated assets, automation-powered workflow, no need for manual work. Its cons are traffic and income claims are unclear. No proof of how AI will generate clicks. Scarcity tactics. The countdown timer may reset, which could be misleading. No instant success. AI tools are powerful, but you still need a monetization strategy. So, is the year-end mega pack worth it? If you need AI-powered tool for content, video, and website creation at a low cost, this is a great deal. However, if you are expecting instant profits, be cautious. AI tools still require effort to generate real income. Great for AI content creators, but don't expect overnight riches. If you want to check out the year-end mega pack, the link is in the description below. What do you think? Is this an AI game changer or just another marketing trick? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Keep hustling smarter and see you in the next one.